In today's video, you will learn how to make a delicious smoothie to detox the intestine and improve your circulation. You surely have heard that you are what you eat, and that saying is totally right. The foods we eat are directly related to our development and how our body works. You probably noticed that already, haven't you? One of these super healthy foods that you should ingest is this special smoothie made with grapes and oats. This beverage helps reduce the levels of bad cholesterol and eliminates toxins from the blood. Isn't it wonderful? Grape and its byproducts, like grape juice and wine, are rich in catechins and resveratrol, a powerful flavonoid that acts as an antioxidant and protects the cells in our body. According to studies, drinking red grape juice increases by 50% the antioxidant capacity of the body, and also increases by 70% the production of nitric oxide, a vasodilator. Oat is a grain rich in fibers, folate, omega-3, and potassium, and it is great to reduce the absorption of bad cholesterol, LDL, and protects the heart against heart attacks. It is also good to detox the intestine. Remember, the less processed your oats are, the better. See how to make this smoothie. Ingredients: 1/2 cup papaya, 1 cup water, 3 tablespoons hydrated oats, 10 grapes. Directions: combine all ingredients in a blender and blend until smooth. You can add some honey to sweeten it. Drink this smoothie every day for a week before your breakfast. According to the World Health Organization, WHO, cardiovascular diseases are the main cause of death in the world. So if you want to take care of your heart, include more red fruits, especially apples and cherries, kiwi, pears, and grapes in your diet. Also, don't forget to associate your diet with physical exercise and activities that reduce your stress and psychological overload. This is the way to guarantee more longevity and quality of life. With this smoothie, you will ingest a huge amount of soluble fiber and minerals, which will help detox your digestive system and clean the toxins from your blood. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.